Oh no! Empty bowl? And now your dog's treating the fish tank like a cocktail bar? Let's not make hydration this dramatic. Introducing the Elfin Fountain D1 Pro, a next-generation pumpless dog fountain powered by mag-drive technology. No pump, no noise, no stress. Just a whisper-quiet stream of fresh water that actually makes sense. And yes, it's designed with your pup in mind. The pet-friendly layout means no choking, no soaked faces, no frantic paw splashing. Just smart, safe, slobber-free sipping. A multi-layer filtration system keeps water clean and clear, even if your dog's been taste testing the backyard. And with a 4-liter capacity and up to 30 days of battery life, this thing is ready for the long haul. You get 3 water modes: smart, timer, and continuous, all controlled with intuitive sensors that know when your pet's nearby. The detachable tank, easy to clean, no awkward angles, no moldy mystery corners. So if you're tired of the bowl being empty, the floor being wet, and your dog being way too creative, it's time for an upgrade. Elfin Fountain D1 Pro. Hydration reimagined for real life with real pet. Follow us to join the community of innovators.